I have, I think, 150 hobbies. I am not even exaggerating. And then I would do it till the point that I'm great at it. And the moment, like, I'm like, I am mildly good at it.
Yeah.
Oh no. Then I'm like, ew.
Yeah.
Why am I not instantly awesome at it?
For me, it's just like I have a constant voice. It's mostly my own voice, but like I have a constant voice and I just can't shut the fuck up. Especially रात को सोने में तो मौत आती है.
हाँ अरे भाई मैं I'm like कोई अच्छी स्टोरी तो सुनाओ जिससे नींद आए मुझे बट नहीं ऐसे एग्जिस्टेंशियल ऐसे उस पे भेज देगा मुझे अपना कैरेक्टर जज करने में.
And when you start doing a task, alright, and then you have this thing in your head कि यार ये बहुत important है, ये करना है, इतना pressure आ जाता है तुम करते नहीं हो, then you start doing smaller side quests, whether it comes to cleaning or it comes to another subject to study.
Yeah. If there's something burning important,
Yeah.
like इतना कुछ बहुत ही जरूरी होने वाला, then you have to
Do something else.
Hello guys, welcome to another podcast. I'm Arushi. I am a content creator, an anchor, a writer, an editor. Lots of things, depends on the day, and I have a lot of things to say.
Woo! And I'm Siddhika. I'm a creative brand strategist, a community builder, a founder, and I also now host this podcast with this lady called Girl Gappa. And today we're talking about ADHD. Basically, ADHD, when two people are hyper, is not just it. There are lots of other things related to it. What it is, why it is, are you it? Do you have Desi ADHD? So yes, let's get to it.
And yes, we have authority to talk about it because we are both lady HDs.
Yes!
So, grab your coffee or chai ka cup and let's get into today's go. Woo! May I have your attention, please? We are both loud and proud neurodivergent women.
Woo!
And we both have ADHD.
Yeah.
One of us is officially diagnosed. One of us is just knows. Honestly, diagnosis is just a formality.
It's a formality. Actually, there was a meme that I saw that actually said that after a certain point, getting diagnosis is a formality for ADHD when you have like all the traits and has been there for a while. So, how do you get to know that I have it? You too went to a therapist and you're like on medication and stuff. So, tell a little bit about
backstory.
Yes.
There was this, so me and Siddhika are we were sitting with a bunch of friends, both of us, and he shows us this video. Okay, and I could visibly like see Siddhika's toes like go like this. Okay, like fingers तो फिर भी control हो जाते हैं ना toes में.
हाँ.
Okay,
I was
like,
curling
and
up.
like curling up, okay.
In
And
stress.
I felt the exact same way. But I was like, 1 second, is it the same thing that she's thinking?
Yeah.
Okay, and that video is going on. That video was like a 13-minute video.
Oh God.
And both of us were like at the
Squirming,
almost the same
basically.
time, like squirming. And you know, one of our friends looks at us and says,
What's wrong?
happened?" And I was like thinking it.
हाँ.
And while Siddhika said,
बहुत धीमा चल रहा है ये.
please 1.5x पे कर दो इसका
At least,
speed.
yeah.
And then, and it was at that moment when it clicked, like, and I looked at her and I'm like, 1 second, I think you might have ADHD.
Yeah.
And then I made one person spiral.
Yeah.
Like I took her into my culture.
So she was the first one who actually pointed it out, and then she kept sending me memes. And obviously, apart from like relating to a meme, the thing is that Abhi, I also was sick recently, and funnily enough, I'll tell you that ADHD meme that is then I start doing a task, then you forget. So I was having pain in my stomach, and I wanted to get like a medicine. I wanted to keep the pajama dhunne mein. I needed to pick up something from the fridge, and I had to have my breakfast.
Oh no.
And I was like, ये मैंने माइंड मैप के अंदर रूट बना लिया था. अब at every single point I kept forgetting कि क्या करना है, to go back, get it, do it, and I was like, okay. And then I was like, yeah, I'll just throw the clothes in washing and I'll wear the towel, and I'm not even kidding. I forgot all of it, and I just took the plate and I went into the room. and like, मेरे हाथ में तो सामान क्यों है?
Like at every point you find like side quests.
Yeah,
It's like quest but side quest. Branch.
एक मैंने tweet देखा था. It's like talking to someone who has ADHD is talking to someone constantly with parenthesis because every topic has a subtopic to discuss.
Yeah, and that's how we talk. Like I've seen all our podcasts even before. We're like point A, B, C, but wait, back to point X added to A. Like we are basically talking algebra.
Yeah.
At this point.
Yeah.
Right?
It's like we are math. I think maths might have been created by an ADHDer.
Yeah, and then we also hate it. So I
Yeah.
don't know. It's like they created it and they hated it. It's like an art project that an ADHD person does.
Does, yeah.
It's maths. They just made it and
Oh,
they're like, "Ugh, I
God.
hate it. I'll never look at it again."
Art projects. Tell me, how many things have you like purchased? I will do this, and you just abandon because it was good in the moment. You're hyper focused.
Yeah. I have. I think 150 hobbies. I am not even exaggerating. And then I would do it till the point that I'm great at it. And
Yeah.
the moment like I'm like I am mildly good at it.
Yeah.
Oh no. Then I'm like, ew.
Yeah.
Why am I not instantly awesome
Awesome.
at it? When I'm instantly awesome at it, I'm like, yes, great.
Huh.
But after that, I'm just like, meh.
For me, I don't know, might be your medication, but for me, the attention span is even less. So I purchased an adult coloring book, and I'm like, मैं reels के अंदर doom scrolling नहीं करूँगा, which is the ADHD thing to do. I got the coloring book. I started. I 2 pages front and back. That's it. The whole book is still a virgin. I
Oh,
did
man.
not. And it's like with so many things I do that. So I had to even like paint this jacket. I got like this fabric color, this and that. And I was like, यार मेरे पास बहुत सारे कपड़े हैं, and like paint on it and make very cool graphics and stuff. एक पे किया सब कुछ पड़ा हुआ है.
No, I kind of relate. No, once I had this very like मतलब एक नशा चढ़ गया था मुझे painting का.
हाँ.
And I made these really, and I'm not even exaggerating. I'm very self-critical, but
Huh.
these were beautiful little miniature paintings that I'd made. And I wanted to make 24.
हाँ.
Or and I wanted to put it in a frame.
Ha,
Okay,
ha,
like
ha,
this
ha,
is
ha.
24.
Yeah.
I wanted it.
Yeah,
be
you
my
wanted to basically
centerpiece.
wall cover art
Yeah.
and stuff. Yeah.
I made 6 and never touched it again.
So I feel like what you could do is जितनी भी बची है ना उन्हीं का एक wall बना ले. Like this is such a classic ADHD thing though, है ना?
Right. But then they'll be like 6. हाँ, 6 would
हाँ,
also
छोटा
make
सा
it.
कर
At
ले.
least I didn't even numbers.
Yeah.
Thankfully, to my credit.
Okay, this is the one sign that you could have ADHD.
Yeah.
But okay, let's see if you have or you don't have. There are like 5 signs that you don't have ADHD. Let's start.
Okay.
I'm gonna quiz you. You tell me if you have or not. Number 1, you have prompt and easy mornings.
Lol.
Like
Lol, what are they? One.
एक अलार्म से कौन उठता है यार?
I know.
That's crazy talk.
Please.
You have a lot of patience with others. In the sense that you can hear them talking slow, taking time.
Oh my god, no. If I understand what someone has said in
Yeah.
the first few seconds,
Yeah.
then I'm just like
Oh God, this is the worst, man. Sometimes when I'm talking to a client and they're just like slowly repeating this, expressing an emotion, I'm like, भाई मुझे पता है यार, please यार, नहीं मेरे से नहीं हो
like
सकता.
I get the point. I'm like मुद्दे पे आओ ना मुद्दे पे आओ.
Yeah, alright. Calm waiting in lines and stuff.
I mean, if I wasn't with my smartphone, I
हाँ.
would have died.
Oh,
like I'm
yeah.
not even being dramatic. मैं मर जाती. Like literally.
Oh God, I remember when I had to give exams, right? And again, super hyper fixated. जल्दी जल्दी मैंने सब कुछ लिख लिया, pointers लिख लिए. अब I have to wait an hour and a half before the teacher lets me go. I'm like, हो गया यार, मुझे जाने दो प्लीज, मेरा हो गया, मैं नहीं बैठ सकती इधर. And बिना phone के I was just like watching the watch. Effective budgeting.
Oh my god, this is like shame.
Shame.
Shame. Shame.
Listen, I invest in cardboard boxes
Uh-huh.
for my cats. Okay, that's why I'm a raging psychotic
Yeah, yeah.
shopaholic.
Yeah, because I'm presuming they ruin every cardboard box, right?
For my cats. Okay, I have 2. I need at least 60.
Yeah, every month. 2 a day for both cats.
Yes.
See, the math is mathing. ADHD math. Alright, a quiet mind.
What is? Come on. Till I got diagnosed, I thought everybody had like chatter in their
हाँ,
head. I'm like,
oh,
ये तो
yeah.
normal होता है. And then I realized that no, not everyone does. I
Yeah.
तो have a narrator in my head.
24/7.
Yeah, and that too not one. ऐसे commentary box चल रही होती है
हाँ.
मेरी पूरी ऐसे 6 commentator
Kept in
panel.
subtext.
Yeah, panelist पूरा, and they're all analyzing,
Yeah.
and there's somebody who's like mediating the conversation.
Okay,
सब कुछ हो रहा है.
I saw this one photo, and there's lots of content also around this. So, like ADHD has a spectrum, right? And neurodivergent. So, you've got ADHD, you have autism, and then you have another thing, and essentially,
ADHD.
हाँ,
which is
ADHD,
like a
हाँ,
combination of
हाँ.
both.
Essentially, some people obviously hear their own sound in their head, and there's no quietness, right? Some people think with visuals in the spectrum.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that's nice.
So there, some
I feel
people
like so do I, kind of.
in visuals.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. Oh.
That's very fascinating because I saw that, and like for me it's just like I have a constant voice. It's mostly my own voice, but like I have a constant voice and I just can't shut the fuck up. Especially रात को सोने में तो मौत आती है.
हाँ अरे भाई मैं I'm like कोई अच्छी स्टोरी तो सुनाओ जिससे
हाँ.
नींद आए मुझे बट नहीं
Yeah.
ऐसे एग्जिस्टेंशियल ऐसे उस पे भेज देगा मुझे
हाँ.
अपना कैरेक्टर जज करने में
And वो भी like so many dots and so many conversations and creating
Yeah.
stories.
You know, and the funniest part is if I'm like binge watching a show, okay, like suppose I'm binge watching Game of Thrones or something.
हाँ.
Like if I've seen like 6 episodes and all of them are obviously speaking in a British accent.
Yeah.
मेरा internal monologue is a British accent में
Oh,
आने
wow.
लगता है. Like if I'm hung out with people for like the whole day, I start getting their voices. Like वो panel का part बन जाते हैं उसके बाद.
So for me, I don't have the voices on the panel, but for me, I kind of the lingo is something that I get or like imbibe. So I'm watching something that has a certain joke or speaking style or something like that. So the inner voice of mine will start like saying those words, having those jokes, like trying to like be that in that point.
Yeah. No, sometimes I'm like alone. I start laughing because in my head I'm making
Oh,
this ridiculous joke, and it's never funny when I like say it out loud. It's so sad.
Oh god, I used to do that when I was a child. Now it's just that boy. Now I realize that it never pans out. Man, in your head you're like so funny
I
when
know,
like the
man.
whole universe of
Like,
conversation
the
is so
funniest
great.
person in my head. Yeah, what the hell?
Hearing voices is something, or basically having a inner monologue is something that is very much an ADHD trait. But now that you started with medication and you're taking counseling and all, has it helped? Has it changed? Like, what's the development like?
I mean, I feel like okay. So when I started taking medication, it's not like doing LSD or something. कि उसका immediately ऐसा असर पड़ जाता है. No, it takes time. It takes like at least 3 to 4 weeks to begin.
हाँ,
Okay, it's asar.
हाँ, like brain
And-
chemicals changing.
Yeah, but like when you're on it, one fine day you wake up and then there is silence.
Oh,
And then you pick up a book and instead of reading 2 pages,
yeah.
you read 20 pages without needing to go back and without your brain dancing. And it is so freeing. It's like there's nobody in your head noting down all the things you're
Oh,
doing
wow.
and narrating your life to you.
Yeah.
And then when you go out to fold clothes, you actually fold clothes. But then again, it's not foolproof. You
अच्छा.
have some days where you do it because
हाँ.
then तुम्हारा मेडिकेशन तुमको डोपामिन दे देता है, थोड़ा सा सेरोटोनिन डाल देता है
Yeah.
दिमाग में कि नहीं काम कर ले आज
Yeah.
प्लीज.
हाँ.
But the next day again you're like, I've like even though the medication has given it to me, I have used it up. Next day again.
So
Can't.
I have a very interesting video that I'd seen on this. Essentially, women, because of how their menstrual cycle affects your hormones, also affects the effectiveness of the ADHD medication. So what you're describing could also be that your medication is just not working at 100% as it should because of your hormone fluctuation.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
That's true. In fact, my doctor also told me this that
Ah.
it will be different on different
Different
follicular
phases.
phases.
हाँ.
It will be
Yeah.
and I get it because one day I cleaned my house
हाँ.
and I did my laundry like from start to finish.
हाँ.
मतलब डाला साइकिल किया.
हाँ.
So, कभी तो मैं ऐसे पाउडर डाल के
हाँ.
क्या बोलते हैं उसको डिटर्जेंट डाल के छोड़ देती थी. I forgot to press a button once. Okay, like that. But I did it, followed up. Removed the clothes when it was done. Okay,
Yeah.
like that's a big achievement. Okay,
Yeah, no.
you don't know how huge this is. Yeah, okay.
It is,
Did that.
man.
Yeah, cleaned my bathroom and like fed my cats one time.
Such a neurotypical person gonna hear this and be like, okay, this bitch just be lazy.
Yeah, I know, right? See, with ADHD, it's that you don't just wake up one day and realize, oh, मुझे ADHD
नहीं, वो
है.
कभी नहीं होता.
You look back at your childhood
Yeah.
and you're like, oh my god, this all makes sense.
Yeah.
So did you like what were the signs that you saw, like that you remember, like in your childhood?
It's not even like just childhood, even present. Like burning the toast is something that I still do because I start doing something else because side quest is very important when you're doing your main quest, right? So burning the toast is something that happens very regularly to me because 2 minute का चीज़ है पर मैं भूल जाती हूँ. Your pile of stuff. Then when it came to playing games, now again too many side quests, too many games on the floor. So I would never clean anything up. And then I have these organized piles of messes everywhere, but I can't have anyone touch them because they're organized in my head, but they're piles.
Yeah, exactly.
And if someone touches it, and I did not know till actually we started talking and I started researching a little more about ADHD that this is like an issue. Plus, obviously, when it comes to, doing, this is the worst. When you start doing a task, alright, and then you have this thing in your head कि यार ये बहुत important है, ये करना है, इतना pressure आ जाता है, तुम करते नहीं हो, then you start doing smaller side quests, whether it comes to cleaning or it comes to another subject to study.
Yeah. If there's something burning important,
Yeah.
like इतना कुछ बहुत ही जरूरी
Yeah.
होने वाला, then you have to do
Something else. Yeah, because so overwhelmed with it and you can't.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just the fear of giving all of your attention to that one thing and thinking you're gonna fuck it up is so much. You're like कुछ भी और चलेगा अभी, and that is the worst. So now I keep like forcing myself because again, like I mean the issue with like what my fear is with medication when it comes to ADHD and certain medicines in general. First, I'm already on medication for like other things, so I don't know how it's going to interfere, and people have not done enough studies on women, so that the cycle, how it affects you, how all of these things together are going to affect me is like really bad. So at least I have this much thinking, okay, if I've started a new medicine and my periods are not behaving in a certain manner, I'm like, no, stop, pause. But if like too much stuff is going, then I don't know which one is causing issue. And I don't want my
the painkiller reaches your body and you'll it's like कौन सा दर्द को cure करना है पहले.
precisely. And I think childhood में one of the biggest things that I feel like ADHD से मुझे पता चला was when people were talking, my interrupting thing and talking fast thing, like अभी मैं धीमे बात करती हूँ, believe it or not. When people in the crowd be like, what the fuck, Siddhika? So I remember when I used to talk to boys on the phone and this was like the first time रात में से करके बात होती है, तो मैं एकदम चिपमंग की तरह ऐसा 14x speed पे and this one boy was like, पता है मैं कान एकदम ऐसे अंदर लगा के सुनने की कोशिश करता है, I can't understand a word you are saying and you're talking soft and fast. This is impossible to decipher now, Siddhika.
Oh my god, you're like the YouTube video on 2x, no? It's like
बचपन से ब्रो मैंने अभी इतना धीमा बोलना शुरू किया. So this one guy who was trying to date me when I was like 16, 17 when हम स्कूल में थे, अभी 10 साल बाद किसी वजह से बात हुई, and he was like, it's so nice to hear you talking at semi-normal speed now.
I can completely imagine. No, my issue was eye contact. Like,
Oh.
and then when someone points it out, then you start masking it, right? Then you start doing it. Because I remember one of my colleagues telling me that, why do you have shifty eyes? And I'm like, and then I realized, oh my god, when I'm actually listening to someone, I cannot make eye contact. And I would like just look all over the place, okay? And actually, because due to anchoring, due to like creating content and like focusing on the camera, looking in one place, that actually kind of trained me to maintain eye contact in a way.
That was like in your 20s, that means.
Yeah,
That's pretty
because
late.
Before that, I could not. When I would be talking, I would like look down, look up, or like if I had to make a point, then I would like start, pretending I'm thinking because I couldn't like keep eye contact.
Yeah.
It was just like it was very jarring.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So I think because ADHD kids are also supposed to be like very multi-talented and they do a lot of extracurricular. Otherwise, also they're supposed to be the gifted category in some cases, right? So in my case, I did a lot of extracurricular and I also did a lot of dramatics, English dramatics, Hindi dramatics and all that. So I think वहाँ से I got like eye contact का thing because the teachers were like teaching me and this was very funny. I don't know if I'll find the clip or not, but दूरदर्शन में एक show आता था जिसके अंदर they were like कि सब्जियाँ खानी ज़रूरी हैं and I was the गोभी in that show. Oh my god! because मैं गोल थी, सफ़ेद थी, मुझे गोभी बना दी, they were like घूमो.
Oh, the things we have been made in
Yeah,
theater
yeah.
as kids.
Yeah, so उस समय आई कांटेक्ट का मैंने सीख लिया था एज अ चाइल्ड.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
No, I had. I think जब तक eye contact तक पहुंचना था, मैंने वो hobby ही छोड़ दी थी. I just moved on to the next. After that, so interestingly, my therapist, she told me, like, when we had got into neurodivergence वाला conversation, she told me, like, just make a note of like 10 quirks, like 5 or 10 बोला था उसने, ठीक है, vaguely कि ऐसा ऐसा चीज बताओ, नोट करो जो which you only notice about yourself, you know, like the things that were different about you. So she told me, देखो 5-10 का list बना लेना, and I made a list of almost 100.
Oh
And
lord.
it just went on. It just went on. And I showed it to her, and she's like, yeah, I think I'm gonna prescribe a test for you.
This is meme also. ADHDers love to make lists.
Yeah, and then they won't do
Never,
anything
yeah.
about those lists.
List screenshots. Like I have so many lists when it comes to, you know, the stuff I need to edit and the things I need to shoot and work and this and that and client pitching ki list and so all list है, ठीक है? I'm not even kidding. You were shocked that I'm deleting things is because मेरे notes में notification आ गई थी, bro, you're full. Okay, you know, I need to.
Then I get it.
Yeah, reel it
And
back
those
in.
lists will be beautiful.
Yeah.
They'll be so gorgeous.
So gorgeous.
Oh my god, like
So
a
nice.
professional did it.
Yeah.
तो उसके अंदर कुछ नहीं होगा, वो बकवास होगा और वो कभी follow through नहीं होगा.
मतलब करो तो मतलब you could kill it though.
Yeah.
करो तो you'll be killing it.
Now I have just realized that उसमें से अगर एक दो चीजें भी हो जाएं तो
Yeah.
I'm like accomplished, दिन सफल, मेरी life सफल, I can die in peace.
Yeah.
It's like that. Like at recently, me and my friends, we were planning a trip to Goa,
Yeah.
and I showed you.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Full PDF,
I
Excel
made
sheet.
a proper PDF or a PPT of our itinerary with places to go, weather, packing list, and
Yeah.
the flight timings, what terminal to go, which airport, what. All kinds of places bunched, like, you know, all the sites and the eating places that we have to go bunched by location.
Yeah.
कि ज़्यादा time waste ना हो transit
हाँ,
में. All
nice.
of that in half an hour.
Wow.
Yeah.
ये वाला तो मैंने भी किया है यार. मतलब the first time when I had to travel, all of the travel needs का, but that was like on paper. And I made a list, and the good part is because it's a physical thing ना, whenever I have to travel, जो मैंने 6 साल पहले बनाया था, मैं उसको खोल के एक बार cross check कर लेती हूँ कि what all can be used and stuff.
Oh yeah. No, I completely relate. 100%. But have you ever felt like sensitivity to things, like, do you have like icks? Weird
So,
icks?
oh my god, this is a very interesting thing that you brought up actually. So, the sensory issues that I have, basically, okay, fine, like, I don't like getting wet and like, I don't like certain textures, okay, जैसे कि लोगों के हल्दी लगती है, मुझे लगाना मन नहीं करता, ew texture.
Yeah. Oh my god, I hate it. Huh?
But the biggest, and this is since a child, अगर मेरा लेफ्ट हैंड में थोड़ा पानी जाएगा, मुझे राइट में भी चाहिए. अगर मेरा राइट पैर थोड़ा गीला होगा, मुझे लेफ्ट भी गीला करना. एंड मुझे पता नहीं था, and some guys that I dated really like misuse this information. But this was like the worst thing ever. Like यहाँ पर अगर थोड़ा सा मुझे जल गया ना, जैसे हाथ, so बचपन में I would be like थोड़ा सा इसमें भी गर्म लग जाए तो इक्वल हो जाए.
Listen, this happened to me yesterday. So I was washing my hands and मेरे चप्पल में, मेरे लेफ्ट चप्पल में थोड़ा सा पानी गिर गया था while washing.
हाँ.
So I took out my right foot from my right chappal. I wet it a little bit, wet the toe a little bit like this.
Balance.
And I put it in my chappal. I'm like, चलो दोनों big toes गीले हैं equally. So it's okay. Now it's fine. Like, it's not imbalance. Like, I need justice.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
When I told my partner this, he was like, "You're fucking psychotic," and I'm
Yeah.
like, "Neurotypical people do not understand
Yeah,
neurodivergence."
they do not. Like, I think Tushanu is slightly neurodivergent. I feel like at
हाँ.
least anxiety तो है, ADHD probably. I'm not sure. But है, so at least he has like empathy.
हाँ. And Neeraj is so
But
very
now-
neurotypical.
But sometimes
bhai.
he thinks I'm full on like psychotic.
Cuckoo.
Yeah.
Cuckoo.
I have accepted myself so as he, so it's okay. But I once had a meltdown because I eat with a small spoon.
Yeah.
I don't like too much food going into my system
हाँ,
at
हाँ,
once.
हाँ, हाँ.
I had a meltdown once because the spoon size that I got at some random place was too big. I'm like, मैं खा ही नहीं सकती. And I can't eat with my hands because obviously.
Yeah.
So I was just saying, nahi, this I have a spoon, but the spoon is not,
Not
good
pretty.
enough.
So another thing as a child that I was really hyper fixated on when it came to my toys was when I had to place them back. Whenever I did, I would try and place them back in like perfect order, perfect size, perfect color. It had to be in a certain category, set in certain ways. I just could not, for the life of me, have the greens with the oranges and not have like the rainbow followed.
Oh my god, yes. Especially my crayons.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I was like, yellow cannot be friends with pink. No,
Oh yeah.
no, no. I was like a racist. I was like, I was like a white supremacist.
Yeah. White, beige, yellow.
Yeah, like no, you have to stay in your line. Go to your assigned seat. Like,
Yeah, and kids who did not understand that and like took stuff and I'm like यार ये निकाले इसी place में वापस please,
yeah.
and they were like नहीं just to fuck with you कहीं और.
But otherwise, my shit would be messy.
Ah,
Like
yeah,
if I have made that mess, it is my mess.
it is not.
Like I have created art.
Yeah,
Please
there
don't,
is a
don't,
spile.
like,
The
touch it.
spile is not supposed to be fucked with.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
I have seen like neurotypical versus neurodivergent conversations, right? Like I don't understand how people like okay if they're cooking something just keep making it. They'll keep just making the
Without
food moving
a
without
podcast or music in the background.
आराम से focused on one task. And then it's
Like
insane.
I can only focus like if I'm doing something, if I'm cooking or I'm cleaning
Yeah.
or I'm doing something, making
Yeah.
something. I can't continuously do it if I don't have like some kind of background sound. going
Yeah,
on. Like,
for sure.
Yeah, या तो podcast या तो audio book या तो कोई classical music चलना होता है.
हाँ.
नहीं तो नहीं होगा.
या कोई video वगैरह like
हाँ.
and you can't also just like be on the stove, right? You're like doing 3 other things in the kitchen as well because productive time management.
How?
Although you'll be lazing.
So in ADHD, there's a thing called body doubling.
हाँ.
Where when you have like an external sound or somebody or somebody in the there somewhere
Vicinity,
in the
हाँ.
background, not
हाँ.
looking over you
हाँ.
but somewhere there, you feel like अच्छा थोड़ा accountable. Then you like start. Then you're like then you're on task. Then you want to prove it to like yourself and this person who's probably
Yeah.
talking on a podcast somewhere. कि मैं ये देखो I'll do the best. You want me to make a paratha? I'll make the best paratha in the world. Okay.
Oh god, I sometimes am so happy when someone wants to come to my place because like इसी चक्कर में सफाई होगी.
Exactly.
And also, I feel like because of this body doubling, as you said, like when there is a lot of external pressure, right, is the time where I feel my ADHD shines because multitasking and thinking in abstract and joining several things together is like my orchestra in my head is finally coming and lining up together to finish all of this work. So I feel like sometimes when I'm talking, I'm like apart from you and a few other friends that might have ADHD, they can't keep up with the speed of thoughts, just jumping here and there and stuff. So it's like you're like playing ping pong pong.
Yeah. No, the thing is that what people need to realize about ADHD is that it's not hyperactivity
Yeah.
in the body.
Yeah.
It's hyperactivity
Activity.
here.
Yeah.
Here's where shit is going on.
Yeah.
Like I remember even before I got diagnosed or knew what ADHD is, I used to tell people, you don't want to be in my head.
Yeah.
I would say this very casually. And then I realized later that there was a reason why I was saying this. You genuinely do not want to be in my head.
And I feel like nowadays some people have said, oh, it's a fad to have ADHD and shit. And actually, I feel like that's a little stupid because studies have come out like long ago. People were kind of oppressed in a way, or maybe because of combative reasons that you shouldn't use a left hand or you can't be a lefty, for example. But now, after years, it's not like everyone became left-handed. No, it was like 13% of the population roughly is left-handed. So now it's going to take that much time for people to come out, get diagnosed and stuff that we'll get to know what percentage of the population actually has ADHD.
And not everyone is little bit ADHD.
Yeah.
Like people say. Like I know that people have issues with procrastination or being lazy or whatever, boredom or whatever.
Yeah.
But it's not to the extent that it cripples your life.
Yeah.
It's not debilitating on a daily basis. That's what ADHD is. And all of these quirky little things. But to the extent that तुम्हारी life fuck हो रही है उसकी वजह से. Basically.
Because it's a constant, it's like your brain is not controlling the narrative. There is a little buddy in the brain that is like, now let's see what does this button do.
Yeah.
And then it decides to do or not to do.
When I saw Inside Out, But the
Oh.
first time, it was cathartic for me because because it was like an explanation
Yeah.
to what is going on, you know.
Yeah,
Because it was
man.
so like, oh my god, this seems like my brain.
Yeah.
I can imagine it to be like this.
No, I felt like I related to anxiety so hard.
Oh my god, yeah.
Because I saw anxiety and I was like, that's me.
Yeah, oh my god, yeah. Anxiety. Oh,
Because वो
seriously.
ऐसा like एक तो anxiety was like worried all the time, overthinking and overthinking is like my jam, right?
Yeah.
And then after that it was like running here, there, everywhere, like every split second, and it was like that's an actual representation of my head. Like anxiety took over when I was like in my teens, and it's just been in charge.
Oh my god, yeah. No, and you know, in my childhood, like I won't like blame my parents or anything because they were also. I mean, it wasn't a thing back then, right?
Hmm.
And one of the main symptoms that people look for
Hmm.
is being bad at studies. And I wasn't really bad at studies. And I
Yeah.
was a girl. You know, it was a
Yeah.
whole thing about being only for little boys, right?
Yeah.
That's the thing. But I remember when during my diagnosis, my doctor told me, I used to tell her that I used to get frequent asthma attacks.
Hmm.
And then I realized she made me realize that maybe some of these were anxiety attacks. They were panic attacks because the symptoms were very similar.
Wow.
So they were a part of ADHD. They were a manifestation of the anxiety from ADHD in my childhood. So it was always there. It was just
Wow.
yeah.
Desi ADHD is one thing, and I feel like teachers, parents kind of overlook it. So essentially, in India, ADHD and sometimes, you know, the decision paralysis or whatever there is, because also it's not researched that much in girls, and girls don't have the hyperactive syndrome, hyperactivity, which basically guys have, they are considered to be lazy.
Hmm.
And laziness is associated with ADHD for women in particular, and especially kids. And it's not that, it's like if you're getting marks vagara like you said, but you might have been a little lazy, or sometimes you just shut down or something like that, or you were introverted, they would not actually look at those things.
Exactly. Mine was pretty opposite, in fact.
Yeah.
I was selectively mute.
Yeah.
I would not talk.
Yeah.
Like my parents had to literally say good evening, uncle, auntie, say hello.
Hmm.
I would just not talk. It would not come out.
Hmm.
Like it would just be here. I would not talk because अंदर इतना chatter हो रहा था.
Yeah.
And then I would contemplate. अच्छा, is it evening? Is it afternoon? Is it morning? What do I say? Good morning, good evening, good hello. क्या बोलूँ? तब तक कुछ निकलता ही नहीं था. वो गाड़ी निकल चुकी है. Morning बोलते बोलते afternoon हो चुका है. And तब तक I'm just thinking, what do I say? It's gone.
Yeah. So, so you have that, you know, like the ADHD that is in children that are female. So you have that. Like for me, to khair, I had like the very typical ADHD thing. Ki I used to like bounce about. I was so hyperactive. And the thing is, like you say that you know, thinking 1,000 things in my like 7, 8. You know, ऐसा पूरा संगत बैठी हुई थी. Like the whole village is there discussing things. For me, I was verbalizing all of that.
Oh dear.
So that's why I spoke so fast, and I spoke like you were like Subhuri Shamari, this and that. I was saying all of these things out loud. So people used to be like, "ये चुप क्यों नहीं होती है सिद्धिका?"
I could completely get
Yeah.
it, man. No, it is. मतलब कहीं ना कहीं से तो निकल ही रही है ना.
हाँ.
And it's basically your circumstances and your experiences that are governing
Yeah.
what kind of symptoms are also coming out.
Yeah.
Because you also learn to mask as a girl, as a woman. You also mask more apparently.
Oh.
So I realized later that all the fidgety things that I was doing, I used to mask it. Like I used to literally put my hands like this. I started sitting like this because I used to bite my skin off because I used to keep doing this.
Yeah, that I still do.
Yeah, I still do that too. Like my therapist told me to wear nail paint so that I don't bite my skin off.
Yeah, my therapist told me that as well. But this was when I was in school. So since then, I've been like always keeping some polish on, because if your nails are pretty, you are not going to eat your skin.
Yeah, no, I still did it. I put nail paint like this thing aggressively, but then I would also start peeling that off. But it's better to do that than your skin, right?
हाँ नहीं, absolutely.
Yeah. मेरा तो ungli, just look at this. My whole ungli is like peeled off.
अरे मुझे दिखा ना, अपने
ये ले।
पास मत रख. ये मैं बचपन में करती थी,
Yeah.
ऊपर वाला
Yeah,
पील
yeah.
करना.
I
Like
keep
I
doing
used
that.
to like drop blood, and this is very dangerous, you know, because
I
if you
know.
get an infection, alright, and if it starts pulsing, because I had to go to the ER because of this. I was in like first or second year of college, and उसके बाद मैंने करना बंद कर दिया because अगर infection हो गया and it starts throbbing, you will have to cut the finger off because the infection could
And
really
this
fuck
is
it
my
up.
guitar thumb. No.
हाँ तो मत खाना उसको.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, no, please don't. No, it's very serious. Okay, so I saw this quiz on the internet that ADHDers have the same type of love languages. So let's see if you have them or not.
By the way, love languages are also a made up concept. Just
तू
saying.
चुप रहे. ठीक है, तू चुप रहे. I think that is a very valid concept. ठीक है, तू चुप रहे. All right. The first love language sign for ADHDers, letting us info dump.
Yeah.
I feel like info dumping is the biggest thing. Like you're going to learn something, you're like, I want to tell you about it.
Yeah, yeah. In fact, why I was one of the best things that I was in school was I was an ace quizzer.
Huh.
I used to quiz. I even went to something called Bondita quiz contest, which was a huge deal. Okay, in our time.
Actually, yeah.
Okay, so I went for that, and I was like majorly into quizzing because I loved absorbing random information. Like I once I once watched a documentary on whales. It was 3 hours long, and it was awesome.
Whales rape the
Whales,
female,
yeah,
right?
It was horrible, but it was awesome.
Discovery
no,
में मैंने
that's dolphins.
that's dolphin. अच्छा
That's
हाँ.
different. Okay,
नहीं,
whales are decent.
Whales are decent.
Not all whales,
नहीं भाई,
but dolphins though.
भाई
They
मैंने
have
वो
to.
वीडियो देखी. आई थिंक रात का टाइम था, डिस्कवरी पे, like ADHD, we are digressing.
Yeah.
And उसके अंदर these guys were showing everything, then they had to blur it because it was like too graphic.
Yeah, dolphins are.
Oh my god, and I can't believe Discovery was, they were like, क्या shot मिला, क्या shot मिला, दिखा. Second, welcome us spontaneous gifts.
Oh yeah.
I-
I'm like a cat. Like I will bring mouse and give to Sean. Like this was for you.
I think gift giving, I know you don't believe in that, but I think gift giving is one thing because like if I like love certain people in my life and I value them, whenever I go for a trip or whenever I'm out, I'm like, oh, this is something that, you know, Arushi will like. I'll be like, हाँ ठीक है, and then I'll get something. Like whatever the thing is, like ऐसा वो रहता है. And
Yeah, same. Gifts though. I'm a good gift giver. Even if it's like, remember I got you like an anxiety ring.
yeah.
Because I'm like this though. I
Yeah,
know who will
relate.
like this.
Yeah. So okay, next, thoughtful reminders for self-care.
Yeah. That too.
Yeah, you won't remember shit about yourself, but you'll keep giving reminders to the person you care about. Like, do this,
The
do this.
amount of sunblock I have shoved in his face. Oh my god.
Body doublings. Sitting with us while we work or do tasks to help us stay focused. Your presence provides support and motivation, makes it easier for us to get things done. Alright. And the last one. Understanding the urgency codes. Oh, this one I know. Like, for example, this is kind of funny actually. So, with the doc, right, he asked me to start doing this one work, and now he's understood my ADHD and stuff. He knew that the moment I am going to see all of this, I'm going to have an immediate kick of anxiety, and एकदम मैं knee jerk reaction के साथ बोलूँगी, what is that? So I'm going to do that. So he had already decided कि ऐसा ये अभी देखेगी 2 बजे तक ऐसा ऐसी कॉल आएगी.
Oh nice. So he's like he knows.
हाँ,
Made
हाँ,
a,
हाँ, हाँ.
Predicted behavior.
Yeah. And even with Neeraj, the same thing happens. Like, he knows ऐसा कुछ होगा कि this is going to be my time when I'm going to go like एकदम से I'm just going to be like hyperactive and like yeah, and I'm just going to be like, oh my god, you're my person and I need to just dump on you right now because I'm overwhelmed.
Yeah, Krishanu also, he's like one, and if he's telling me, if he's giving me some kind of news and he knows how I'm going to react to it, he will just be like, अच्छा एक चीज बतानी थी, don't react 1 second, like keep it down.
मैं बाहर हूँ लोगों के
One
साथ.
second, हाँ, like I'm in the office, but like XYZ happened, and I'm like, oh, good you told me. Thank you for that warning. I needed it. Whenever I talk to people, and now so I've become like, you know, a scout, a cult scout, where I'm like, हाँ तुमको है ADHD, तुमको है, मुझे पता है.
तू है, तेरे को पता नहीं है लेकिन तू है.
So I just feel like for me, because I though still got it early in my life, like 30 is still early getting diagnosed as a woman, especially in India. I remember, like, you know, I started looking at all the films and everything that I've seen in my past. And there are two that stood out for me.
Yeah.
So one was Sound of Music, where Maria, you've seen it?
Yeah, several times we had
And
that
I'm
cassette.
like, yeah, and I'm like, 1 second. Have you heard the song? How do you solve a problem like Maria? Everything that is described in that is a symptom of
But
ADHD.
her penitence is real. She's always late for everything except for
She is like crazy in her
Oh, yeah,
head.
yeah,
She's
yeah,
up
yeah.
in the cloud. She
Yeah.
does whatever she wants. She does not even stick to being a nun. Like she just runs off one day. Then she goes. She hyper focuses. Makes clothes for 7 kids from curtains
Oh yeah.
in one night. That woman has textbook ADHD. Okay, like literally, it's
Boom.
yeah. She plays guitar. She can sew. She was a nun, but she moved on because she was like, ah, fuck this, I can't. Like a new hobby. But then she does she literally makes songs on the go, and like everything she.
In that case, the whole Bollywood has ADHD.
Yeah,
Please,
no.
songs on the go के बाद नहीं करते.
She makes them, na. She doesn't like. She literally has a guitar. And she makes them. with
Why
the
you
kids.
gaslighting the viewers, man? Every Bollywood song is made on the spot. सब लोग outfit लेके तैयार होते हैं. Yeah, this is reality.
mob.
Yeah, man. Please.
Then
How do you solve a problem like Maria?
I love it.
Ooh. Evelyn from Everything Everywhere All at Once. Love that film. So she, like, when she goes to the IRS, she's getting audited and she's getting audited for like 1,000 things.
Oh, yeah,
That,
yeah.
कि तुम karaoke भी कर रही हो, तुमने ये भी किया, तुमने ये भी किया, तुम dance भी कर रही हो, तुम वो भी कर रही हो. All of that, right? And they're all like unfulfilled, छोटा things.
Yeah.
Which she could
Business
have
expenses.
been. Yeah. All of those, like, things that she was thinking, and all those alternate realities, like, oh, maybe if I'd pursued this, I would have been that, I would have been that.
Yeah.
It's like, it's a portrayal of ADHD. She was basically ADHD. Like, that film made me feel so
Seen, yeah.
validated, so seen. Because I'm like, oh my god, this woman has ADHD, bro.
Woo.
Yeah, like, she one of us.
Asian lady, woo.
Yeah. Because of the diagnosis, it's not like it fixed me or anything.
Yeah.
But I just feel like I feel like validated. I don't
Yeah.
feel like, oh, I'm different or something's wrong with me.
Yeah, it's like when you go to the hospital and you feel like you have some issue, but they get some tests done and कुछ पता नहीं चलता. Then it's like, यार, what is wrong with me? But when you get a diagnosis, then there's at least a sense of calm. Like, हाँ, ठीक है, this is what I have. Whether you want to work, you don't work on it, whatever your scene is.
Exactly.
But पता तो चल गया ना.
Ki something is up
हाँ.
and you know how to handle
Yeah.
it now, right? And I would just like to extend this message to the viewers that, you know what, if you're feeling like this, if you actually related with this podcast very much, little more than you'd like, then you should probably explore options on this, because you
Yeah.
might just start small, maybe like do an internet quiz or something
Yeah.
like this. Then you can go ahead, watch all the memes on Instagram about it, because that's how we began, and then it just like spiraled, and then we're like, bam, you
Yeah.
got this thing.
I don't have sugar. Sugar and alcohol is bad if you have
Have
ADHD.
omega-3 supplements.
Oh yeah, those do help.
And if it's getting too much, and it was in my case pretty debilitating to the extent that I was burnt out of work and literally had to leave and say, nah,
I need a sabbatical.
Yeah. And then I seeked help, and it really helped me. It was kind of life changing for me. Getting diagnosed was life changing, and that too, like in my 30s.
Oh, that's nice, man. That's
Yeah.
nice.
And I wish I had gotten diagnosed earlier, but still, better late than never.
It's okay. That's at least you got it. That's the important part.
Yeah.
But here, I think we guys have learned a lot, man.
Oh my god, yeah.
Yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this podcast, and we come up with such topics every week. If you want to watch something else, please comment down below what you would like us to talk about. And if you have ADHD, then share it with your friends. Find out if they have it for sure.
All your lady HDs. Please share it with them.
Subscribe.
Yes, and if you like this video, please give us a like, share, subscribe, and
See you next week. Until then, call your girlfriends and continue the Girl Kappa.
also follow us on all our other channels. Links are in the description. From Lady HDs.